Hey Glam dolls, welcome back to the channel. I'm here today to share with you all this eye look that I created by using Wet n Wild Bed of Roses eyeshadow palette that looks like this right here, and it's available in your local drugstore. So if you want to see exactly how I use this 4-quad palette to create the eye look, keep watching this video and I will see you all in another one again shortly. Later dolls. Okay, Glam dolls, I'm starting out by doing my eyebrows, and truth be told, if I don't get this part right, I will not be applying any makeup for the day. My brows is such an important part to my makeup routine. So with some brow powder, I'm just taking my time, gently filling in the sparseness, and I've already applied the concealer underlining my brow bone area. Now I'm going to move into using some eyelid primer. It is so important that you use eyelid primer because this is what helps to protect your eye skin from the product in which you are applying. And then I'm going to move into using my MAC Cosmetics Saddle Brown, my oldie but goodie. This is going to give me some warmth into my eyes because I'm using this as a transitional color. And with a fluffy blending blush, I'm just blending all over. And now I'm using the paint pot. Now let me tell y'all, the primer is what's used to protect your skin from the products that you're applying, but the paint pot is what helps to make any eyeshadow color, and I mean any eyeshadow you apply color, to pop that much better when applied. So with the warmth of my fingertips, I'm spreading this product evenly all over the mobile area of my eye. And now it's time for the palette, the fun part. Oh my gosh. This is the Wet n Wild Bed of Roses palette, and I'm starting out just by doing my crease, and with the darkest color, placing it directly into my crease, but I'm going to blend this in a downward motion. Yes, I do not want to create a smoky eye with this, so I'm keeping it in a downward motion, and with a fluffy blending brush, blending this out so no harsh lines and demarcations, but in a downward motion. We're not going for a full-on blown smoky eye, at least not for today. Back into the palette, and I'm going to take the shimmered part and put that all over the entire mobile area of my eyelid. I'm using a flat shader brush to do so. And see how the paint pot gives me the color I see, the color I'm getting? Yeah, exactly like what I just told you. Color you see, you definitely will get when using a paint pot. So I took the glittery color and with the same shader brush placed it in the middle of the eye, and then I finished applying it on the inner tear ducts. This is what's going to open up my eyes with reflective light and give me that gradient color flow from using the palette, so it don't be one solid color. And here are some eyelashes I purchased from my local Dollar Tree that I do not like. Oh no, it's a no. I'll explain later on in another video. But moving forward, my Nivea Poche Balm Cream. Technically this is for men, but Nikki Tutorials broke the internet saying you can use this as a primer. It is such a great moisturizer. And I'm applying my foundation, my Makeup Forever Ultra HD foundation, and I'm going to stipple it all over my entire perimeter of my face. And once I get it going, I'm going to blend some more. Keep on blending because I don't want any harsh lines and demarcations. So here are my two concealers from MzGlamourAddict Cosmetics. If you happen to be new to the channel, I do have my very own cosmetic line, which is down in the description box below. I'm adding these new concealers into my cosmetic collection. I'm also going to be doing some contouring, but here is where my camera died. Yeah, so I blended everything out, the concealer, the contour, and I was so bothered at this point, but hey, you still got to push through with life, right? So this is why now I'm applying my liquid highlighter from LA Colors Cosmetics. And here's a fun fact, LA Colors Cosmetics was the brand that actually inspired me to start my own brand. So with my blending brush, I'm blending out that highlight, and look at that glow. Look at that glow. Oh my gosh, so pretty and gorgeous. And it's available in your local drugstores or beauty supply stores. So beautiful when applied. And I'm going to put some blush. I'm not much of a blush wearer, so a tiny bit of this is definitely going to go a long way for me. It's Milani Cosmetics Rose de Rio, followed by my mattifying and hydrating facial setting spray from Black Radiance. All products that I use, with the exception of mine, is available in your local drugstores as well as your beauty supply stores. But on that note, this have officially concluded the video. Not bad, right? I like how this came out, and to say it came from my local drugstore by Wet n Wild, I have no complaints at all. Oh my god. Now that I finished the look, added my wig and my nails to kind of complement the look, this have concluded the video. Thank you all for taking the time to watch this video. I'm gonna go and get dressed for the day, but I will see you in another video again shortly. Later, dolls.